In this video, I will show you how much Truck House Life makes money on YouTube 2023. Let's get started. He created his channel since November 28, 2007. He has 276,000 subscribers. Until now, total uploaded 538 videos. And now let's go over Truck House Life channel analytics. This is statistics views for Truck House Life channel. Daily views, 73,900 views. Weekly views, 517,500 views. Monthly views, 2,218,000 views. Total views, 39,164,000 views. Next, videos performance on Truck House Life channel. This is the latest videos for Truck House Life channel. This video has gotten 28,000 views and 31,000 views. The estimated income Truck House Life with the latest videos. $112 and $124 since published on YouTube. And this is the most popular video for Truck House Life channel. This video has gotten 9,900,000 views since published on YouTube. The estimated income Truck House Life with the most popular video. $39,600 since published on YouTube. Now, how much Truck House Life makes money on YouTube 2023. And this is the estimated income for Truck House Life channel. Estimated monthly earnings, $8,900. Estimated yearly earnings, $106,000. And the last, the estimated all-time revenue Truck House Life channel. $156,656.